Hello my loves and welcome back into my kitchen. I'm Gabrielle and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spring strawberry spinach salad. That's a tongue twister, I know, but as much as it is a tongue twister, it is delicious. So how I'm going to start off this salad is I have a big bowl of baby spinach that I have, and that's going to be the base of my salad. Now the dressing is going to be the best, creamiest, cashewiest, delicious protein-powered dressing you have ever made, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. So the first thing we do is we are going to have our raw cashews. I use some that are already cut up, and they're already little pieces. So I'm going to put about a cup of pieces of cashews in there, always raw. And some people like to soak them beforehand. I don't. I just like to stick them in as is. And the next thing I'm going to add into there is about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And that's going to add a nice pop of flavor into that. And then of course, nutritional yeast. Who would I be if I didn't throw in some nutritional yeast into my dressing? So I'm going to add in about a half cup of nutritional yeast. And this is going to give it a nice cheesy ranch flavor. And then I'm going to pour in some of my lemon juice, give it a nice acidity to it. And that's going to be about 1/8 of a cup. And then one of the other ingredients I'm using is my apple cider vinegar. And for that, I'm going to be using 1/3 of a cup. And that's going to give it a nice zing to it. All right, so I'm going to give this a first initial blend, and then I'm going to add in some of my other things as well. There we go. Sometimes with these smaller little ninja cups, it takes a little while to have it all break down, especially if you're using nuts and cashews. So what I'm gonna do so that I can help it all break down is I'm gonna add in some of my nut milk. Now I'm using flax milk, but you can obviously, of course, use cashew, coconut, soy, whatever you enjoy. I love flax milk. I discovered it this year because I was trying to create something that was nut-free. And so now I just use it in whatever dressings I'm making. So I'm going to add in about a half cup of my flax milk. And I'm going to give it another blend so that it can all come together. Awesome! And the next thing I'm going to do is add in my salt and my pepper. Now you can add in as much or as little as you want. I really love salt. So I add in I would say about a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to use this pink Himalayan salt. I'm just going to grind that into there. And then I'm going to add in some fresh black pepper that I'm going to pour in there as well. And like I said, you can add in as little or as much as you want. I personally love a lot of both because I feel like it just ups the flavor. And what do you want in a good vegan meal? You want tons of flavor, you want creaminess, you want acidity, you want all the things that you get in a non-vegan meal, but in a plant-based meal as well. So now that I've added my salt and my pepper, I'm gonna give this another good blend and then we should be good to go. I can already smell how delicious it's going to taste, so I'm gonna give myself a little taste beforehand. Let's see. Oh, it's so creamy. Ooh, it's zesty. And with the nutritional yeast and the apple cider vinegar and a little bit of lemon juice in there, it's perfect. It is the perfect vegan ranch I have made. So now that I have my dressing, I'm gonna go over and decorate my delicious salad. So like I said, this is a strawberry spring salad. So I have a bunch of fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds and some beans as well that I'm gonna put in here. The first thing I'm gonna put in are some of my chickpeas. I put chickpeas probably in every salad I make because I feel like it's a nice light legume. It's not too heavy. It's not like black beans or even black-eyed peas. It's nice, it's light, and it's also extremely versatile. You can make it into a cream. You can even make it into salad dressings. You, of course, can make hummus. You can put chickpeas and garbanzo beans on anything, and I love it in this salad. So the next thing I'm going to add in is I have some chopped cucumbers as well as some sun-dried tomatoes. And you can add in as many or as little as you like. I just love all the color in here. So I'm gonna put lots of, lots of little pieces of my cucumber. And then we'll sprinkle my beautiful sun-dried tomato. Sun-dried tomato is also an ingredient that I put in almost every salad because it just gives another level of flavor to whatever you are making. Whether that's a raw lasagna, whether that's raw tacos, sun-dried tomatoes are going to rock your dish for sure. The next thing I'm gonna add in are some of my walnuts, and this is again adding some great plant protein. I like to get a decent amount of protein in all of my meals, but I also want things light, I want things fresh, I don't want anything heavy, nothing with too much soy in it, mostly just fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and occasionally some beans as well. So I'm gonna sprinkle those crushed, I just crushed them with my hands. I'm just gonna sprinkle those on top, and then the moment of the hour, our chopped strawberries. So what I did is I've just gone ahead and sliced these strawberries into pretty thin pieces. What I did is I just took one strawberry and cut it up into 3 pieces. And so now I'm just gonna put it on top of my salad. And you know what's crazy? I used to not like fruit in my salads. I used to think it was weird to mix sweet with savory, but now after I made this salad, I can't stop. I love fruit and mango. Oh my gosh, mango in a salad is perfection. All right, so I think that's probably, let me add in a few more. Awesome. Okay, so now we have our base of the salad. It's so beautiful if you can't tell. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of this dressing over it. Sexy. The drizzle is always the best part of making the meal because it's always sexy. Yes! Oh my gosh, so good. I'm so excited to eat this. All right, let's take a bite. Okay, so as you can see, we have a beautiful spinach salad, big, beautiful flavors in here. I'm just gonna get a wonderful bite, trying to get all of my ingredients in there. Oh yeah. Okay. Yes. There's a sweetness to it, there's a creaminess to it, there's acidity, there is protein, so it's nice and hearty, but it's not too heavy. It's perfect for spring. It's something that you can make for your friends. It's something that you could bring to parties or just make for a quick lunch on the go. You guys saw how simple it was to make a super nutritious, delicious, and colorful vegan meal. I cannot wait for you all to try this, and I'm about to dive in on this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my kitchen again next time. Bye!